Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top, Becky's Cupcakes, and today we're going to make Christmas cupcakes, and we're going to start with this guy. We're going to tape down our paper first, and then a wax paper over that. Mini chocolate chips go in the microwave and are melted, and then put into a piping bag with a number 3 tip, and then we're going to start drawing on the antlers, and we're going to follow the line up and then freehand the top, and we're going to repeat that for all of them there. Really large piping tip, we are going to pipe on some chocolate. We do 2 large swirls on the bottom and 2 small at the top. Take out our little antlers that have had time to set up and become firm, and we'll just stick those in each of the cupcakes. Using a large writing tip, we're going to add eyes in black and the nose, and then the center of the eyes in a slightly smaller tip, and there he is. And then we're going to pipe our Christmas trees with a nice high swirl. Use our little gold sugar pearls on top and then sprinkle on the ornaments. And we're going to pipe on a little skirt around the bottom. And now we'll use our large writing tip. And then we're going to do a bunch of little stars around the bottom and top with our star tip. And there's our Christmas cupcakes. Thanks for watching, and please view my other videos.